3, 2.
I am CEO and founder and developer and a lot of other things of Deckle.
Alright, I'm currently doing marketing for Deckle. I am studying third year at the University of Melbourne.
Can you guys tell me your experience with ChatGPT?
For me, it's great because our app was coded by ChatGPT, 20% of it. So I was literally copying and pasting ChatGPT's code into my own development environment, and then it would just run perfectly. But it only works for the simple UI usually. So for the countdown screen on Deckle, it was completely made by ChatGPT, which is awesome.
How long does it take for the ChatGPT to generate the code?
Pretty fast. It was just 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
And if you were to do that, how long would it take for you to do the same thing?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Wow, that's 10 times faster. No, 10. I think there's debates going on about whether it is good to use ChatGPT when it comes to writing your own assignment, because when you actually go into the workplace in the future, using tool is an important skill to maximize your efficiency at work. Yeah.
So you can use an analogy like the calculator. They were doing mental math, just a piece of paper with a pen. But when the calculator came out, I think the same thing happened. People were saying oh, but you're not going to learn the skill of writing the math down and then adding 3-digit numbers together. So, but now we can see that, hey Siri, what's blah, blah, blah plus blah, blah, blah. And then
exactly.
It just works.
That's the trend, when facial recognition for unlocking your phones just came out, everyone against it. Everyone was like, oh no, what if my identity got stolen or something? And now everyone's using it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe ChatGPT is going to be following that trend.
Wait, does this scares you, the way how ChatGPT is evolving? It's getting smarter and smarter.
It does sound scary, but a while ago, I watched this YouTube video that they were talking about whether AI is going to replace human completely in the future. And I really don't think so, because first of all, they don't have human feelings and they don't have creativity. And they're just gathering information that's existing. They can't really create new things, if that makes sense.
So I think someone made an analogy of where AI is at in terms of its ability. And they used it as there's a picture that represents it. There's a mountain and then there's a lake. So AI can now maybe get to up a level where, they can tell you what to do. They can create content. They can write essays. So that's maybe halfway up the mountain, but they haven't gone to the top of the mountain yet, which is creativity, critical thinking and emotions. So, it's not really there yet, but who knows in the future?
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah.
Yeah.